Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today is a December daily in my junk journal video, and I will be working on day number 11 and 12, I think it is. I know I haven't been doing it every day, or I haven't recorded it every day, but I am still trekking along and doing as much as I can. I don't know what it is this year, but I haven't really been in the Christmas mood at all. I know in the past I was able to, or I was very excited to do it every single day, or at least every other day, but this year for some reason the Christmas spirit is really not there. I know that Christmas is not very celebrated here in Japan, but I never had this issue in the past. But anyways, I still wanted to videotape this and share it with you here on YouTube. I am using some printables. The one on the left-hand side is from Courtney Diaz, and I stuck that on there prior to the video, prior to filming the video. So I am using that and creating a, what is this called, a date tab. I pre-stamped the, I don't know if you remember the episode where I did some pre-stamping on a separate piece of paper, so I decided to use those. And I've also pre-stamped the days as well, the days of the month, and I've torn that off and used that as a date tab. And I thought it would be fun to kind of washi tape that in there, and it kind of acts, it's like an interactive thing. It's not really, I guess it's kind of like a tip-in a way, because you have it washi taped and you can flip it over. And I'm just using the paper cluster that I made earlier in the month, and I find that these little things that you prepare in the earlier on in the month when you're very excited to start, I think they're very, very helpful, especially now that I'm really not in the mood, or I don't really have much Christmas spirit. Yeah, it's becoming very nice and handy. And this beautiful piece is from Junie. I will leave her Etsy and YouTube down below. She was extremely kind enough to send me these printables, and I sent her something small earlier on in the year, and I really did not expect her at all to do this for me. I didn't even, yeah, like I was just blown away. So thank you so much. Please do check her videos out. She does junk journals as well, so I will leave her linked down below. I decided to put a part of her printables on the other side of the page, because the next page was blank, and I thought maybe I could just kind of prepare myself in advance. Here I am taking out the gold lettering, the letters that I used these letters to document the time we went to this. We've been going to different parks every weekend, which is really fun for us, and it's really fun to discover these different types of parks. I'm not sure what it is, but we've just been really enjoying that since moving here. I mean, we did that in the past too. We would always try out different parks, but after a time you get used to the same parks and the kids get kind of bored. And but anyways, we've been trying, since we've moved, we've been trying our best to discover new things, and it's been a lot of fun. It's tiring for me, of course, but it's so fun to see their faces, the kids' faces. And this one is called Wanpaku Rando. I'm not too sure what that means, or somebody's name or whatever, but it was really nice to go there. The admission was free, which is also a huge plus. And they had these little secluded areas within the park of small little like playground areas, and so the kids would play around for a little bit, and then we would move on to the next little playground within the park. So it was a lot of fun, and we will most definitely go back, especially because the admission was free. And if you wanted to go on certain rides, you would maybe pay $3 per ride or something, so it wasn't like too expensive. But yeah, it was nice and big, which is good because it's so crowded here. It's so crowded in Tokyo, and just kind of getting out and exploring is always a lot of fun. And even if there is a lot of people, if the land or the the amusement park or wherever you go is it's very big. It doesn't really seem like very busy, so we've been enjoying that. And these beautiful stickers are from Job's Journal. You all know him. He has a wonderful YouTube video sharing with you Journal with Me sessions. His lettering is absolutely beautiful. I filmed a Journal with Me session in my Hobonichi Techo, and I used some of his stuff from the Happy Mail, but I decided to use some in this spread as well. I will leave his Etsy down below. I was just I moved, and then I received some mail, and his was one of the first ones that I received, and I was surprised because it was sent to my older address, and I guess they mail forwarded it to the new address, but I was just blown away, so thank you so much. And here I'm actually journaling because I know some people like to see me see the journaled pages. And that is the end of this December daily. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.